if my wife would get upset if I purchase another fragrance? Well, I already did. So let's see what's going to happen.
Hey guys, what's going on? What's going on? Wagwan me peeps, wagwan me peoples. Alain here again with a brand new edition of White Boys Fragrance Corner. And today, it's all about unboxing and first impressions of Roberto Cavalli Uomo Silver Essence. So stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. And as the intro said, we will be unboxing Roberto Cavalli Uomo Silver Essence. But before we get into that, let me just talk to you guys about the giveaway. Yes, the giveaway has arrived, and it didn't go according to plan, and I'm gonna explain what happened. But I will be giving away Nautica Classic 100 ml and something for the ladies, the Classic Cool Water. Unfortunately, this is a 30 ml. I really thought it was a 100 ml. I don't know what happened. But guess what? I feel bad about this, so I might do another giveaway for the Christmas, but we'll see about that. So in order for you guys to qualify for the giveaway, you need to stay tuned till the end of the video. I'm not gonna make it that easy for you guys. Alright, so let's see now. Roberto Cavalli Uomo Silver Essence. This particular fragrance was released in 2017. It is considered to be a oriental woody fragrance, and it was made by the perfumer Christophe Renaud. Now, this has some notes in it such as violet leaves and cardamom and ginger at the top. Then you have some orris root, lavender, and geranium in the mid, with some lovely tonka bean, patchouli, some vetiver and oak moss at the base. I'm actually pretty excited about this because for you guys that have been watching my videos, you know this particular line from Roberto Cavalli, the Uomo line, has always been mentioned, you know, in my videos. I own Uomo La Notte, which I absolutely like. I really like that one. I do receive compliments with this, and so now this is Silver Essence. Uomo will be coming this year. Deep Desire, I need to locate that, but eventually this is a line I want to get all 4 fragrances. I want to own all 4. So let's see if Mr. Cavalli can be 2 out of 2. With La Notte, I like it, so let's see what this is all about. So let me just get my trusted Swiss knife. Yeah, and for you guys that don't think this is a Swiss knife, but for you guys that don't believe this is a Swiss knife, it actually is. I think this is a Victorinox Swiss knife. A little bit taller, don't watch the size. So let's get rid of this cellophane. Cellophane. Alright, now the only difference with the packaging is that this is in a silver box. La Notte was in a dark blue box. Uomo is in a black box, and I think Deep Desires is in a dark red box, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, here you have it, Roberto Cavalli Uomo Silver Essence. And down here now you have the batch code. For you guys that are interested in batch code, this is 7216. Then at the back you have some ingredients and other little information. Now I do tend to prefer the 100 ml over the 50 ml or smaller because it shows better value for your money. So alright, so bottle is, you know, normal packaging. The bottle is the same design as I think all of them. Again, this is in a slightly gray silverish transparent bottle, where the La Notte is actually in a very dark blue bottle, but it's the same thing. The cap snaps into place very good. You can actually hold it at the cap, which is always good. Let's check out the atomizer. Decent distribution, and I'm just going to spray this on skin. I mean, if I'm gonna do an unboxing of and first impressions of 2 fragrances, I just spray them on skin. If I do more, I'll use the tester strips. So here we go. Well, well, well. All right. So, Silver Essence from Roberto Cavalli. I like it. I like it. First of all, let me just get this out of the way. Given the price point, it's definitely 2 thumbs already for me. Just given the price point. And alright, so this is definitely a bit lighter and a bit sweeter than La Notte, which I was expecting, because La Notte means the night, so I expected a darker, spicier, heavier scent. This is a bit lighter. It has a very smooth sweetness about it. Like, it's not heavy. It has a fresh type of feel to it. This is actually good enough, guys. This is solid. Alright, so I do get some of the lavender and the. This is nice. This is nice. Definitely not disappointed. So far, it lives up to my expectations. Definitely a bit more versatile than La Notte, in my opinion, where La Notte, especially with that leather note in it, you know, it is a bit darker, it is a bit heavier, more suitable for cold weather or nighttime. This is more versatile, where you can rock this in the day, you can also rock it in the night. You can definitely wear this in spring, in autumn, in summer, and maybe even in winter. This is actually pretty good. This is pretty good. Whoa. There's a reason why I've been talking about the Uomo line. There's definitely a reason for it. So I own 2 of them, and both of them so far, they're a thumbs up for me. I need to get the other 2 in as soon as possible. Uomo, I think I'm going to order Uomo next week, definitely. So, you know, I'll get it before the year is finished. With Deep Desires, I need to do a bit of digging, but I'll get that as well. Definitely worth having if you want something that's actually very well blended, that smells expensive, and that's versatile. You can actually, try this out. Try and get a sample and see if this is something for you. I like it. I need to give this I need to give this some weird. Yeah, I wonder if it. Yeah, I'm going to give this some weird, guys. And once I actually have the full collection, then I'll do a review of the entire collection. I think this line deserves to be reviewed, not one by one. The entire collection needs to be highlighted. I mean, just based off these two now, I just can't imagine what the other two smell like, and I'm sure I won't be disappointed. So yeah, just based on first impressions, Roberto Cavalli Uomo Silver Essence, yeah, it's pretty good. Definitely pretty good. Alright, so let's talk about the giveaway. Nautica Classic 100 ml for the gentlemen, and for the lovely ladies, David of Cool Water. And look, listen, before you guys roast me and say, oh, why you chose these fragrances, I just hit 100 subscribers. So eventually the giveaways will get better and better and better. Yes, I was actually trying to get a unisex fragrance, something a bit more, you know, but I couldn't find any that I really wanted to give away. So I'll still search, and probably I might do one. I might do a giveaway for Christmas. It might even be outside of Switzerland as well. I need to look at my options, because our post, they say that I won't be able to ship fragrances through them, which means I would have to do it through DHL, and DHL is maybe even cost more than the fragrance itself. So I need to look at all the options and how I'll be able to do a worldwide giveaway. But alright, for you guys to qualify for this giveaway, you need to follow me on my Instagram at whiteboys_fragrance_corner. I'm going to post a picture of these two, and you need to comment in the comment section why you think you deserve that giveaway. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty easy, and I'll have that running for a couple of days, and then I'll choose a winner. Please note that this time around it's only Switzerland wide. I would really love to do it worldwide, but as I mentioned with shipping and stuff like that, I need to look at my options, you know, how best I can go about doing that, because it doesn't make any sense I pay the same amount for a fragrance for shipping. I mean, that just wouldn't be feasible whatsoever. But the first giveaway, follow me on Instagram and comment why you deserve to win this giveaway. And while we're at it, you know, you also can catch up with me on Facebook at White Boys Fragrance Corner. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, why not click on that red subscribe button, and while you're at it, click on the notification bell as well, so you will be updated whenever your friendly Jamaican fragrance reviewer uploads a brand new video. Now with that said and done, man fi smell good. You can't step in at 2020 and smell like rotten breadfruit. Have I actually even smelled a rotten breadfruit? I have no idea. All I'm saying is, guys, step your game up. Doesn't make sense you're dressed nicely and you don't smell good. That's all I'm saying. So with that said, stay safe, peeps. Stay blessed, my peeps. White boy is out.